Good morning, everybody. How are you? How you doing? Okay, let's see here. There we go. I got an unboxing, and I'm gonna wait till someone comes on. Hello, hello. How are you? Got some exciting news. My bundle came. Yay! Hi! Doing an unboxing, and I'm going to apply. That's what it looks like inside. Pretty purple paper. Please excuse the noise, I'm sorry. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and start. I got the Touch Mineral and Tool Liquid Foundation. Let's see what this is. Concealer in Scarlet. Face primer. Yay! A really cool brush. Put that over there. And it comes with a really nice drawstring bag. Put that in the box. So how's everyone doing this morning? Put that there. Hello, hello. Concealer. You get a lot of primer. There we go. Yep. Primer. So I'm going to start with. Then I need a knife. Lovely. Be right back. I'm back. Sorry. Hello, how are you? I didn't know that the thing needed to be cut open. Silly moment. How's everyone this morning? Having technical difficulties this morning. I can't get the primer open. Think I got it. Think I got it. Thank you. Appreciate the share. Yep, I think I got it open. Oh, was she? Was she up late? That's all you need. It's so silky. I love it. Ooh, wow. That's late. It's so soft. I love that. I'm going to try on my new liquid foundation and tulle. It's okay. I understand. Shake, 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 shake. Now I got 2 colors. Can't believe it. Need 5 drops. Boop. It is glorious. Oh, wow. It covers the red so much better. Thank you, Tanya. I love you. Might need a little more on that side, but I'll get there. There we go. That's all. Praise the Lord. Yep. Got that right. There we go. That's better. I appreciate that. I love you. You're like you're a sister. Thank you. And I got 2. This is tulle. This is scarlet. Here we go. conceal. Let's see. Okay, that one doesn't need to be cut. This is what the concealer looks like. You get so much product. You're going to take your fingers and lightly rub them together to make them warm. $400 drops in each bottle, that is correct. And just blend that out. They are. I was like, wow. And they're so creamy. I like to bring it down just a little bit. You can use a brush or you can use your fingers, whichever way is easiest for you. I'm gonna buff that a little bit. That's better. No, she did. Gonna set. You just want to buff it in lightly, not to move your foundation, but the foundation turns into a powder. Oh, there you go. Should I do a smoky eye or should I do something light? I feel like going nuts because I'm happy today. I'm going to bronze a little bit. I always get too much. I don't get that. I'll fix it. Oh yeah, I'll go all out. There. Go all out. Okay, you got it. What look are you going to do today? I'm going to use my quad. That's what I got right now. Might use all four. Oh, how was everyone's night? Just want to buff it in. Not to create such a harsh line, but, you know, whatever you prefer. With the funny faces all in there. You wearing, oh, you're doing pink today? Cool. You gonna go live? that out a little bit better. Aw, what you did yesterday was really nice. Okay, sounds good. Can't wait to watch. Yeah. There we go. That's better. I understand that. She loves helping Mommy. Now I'm just using Slick at the moment. Good morning. How are you? You always want to tap because you don't want to get it all over your face. Thank you for all the love. Good morning to everyone who hops on. So happy to see you. There's no fallout, but it's just a habit. Habit. I just go right here in the corner and smoke it out a little bit with fervent. I've been saying it wrong. I hope he's watching wrestling. Who likes wrestling? So, what is everyone's plans for the day besides work? Anything fun? Thank you. What's your favorite product? Might add a little extra shine to the lid. I like shiny lids. Glitter! Glitter's your best friend. Oh, that sounds fun. Planting. Let's get some blush on so I don't look so pale. Our blushers are awesome. See, I can rub it and there's no fallout. Skincare. Yeah, we have good skincare. I love our skincare. Especially that rose water. Loading a trailer and clean. Oh, okay. Making all kinds of noise today. Blend that out. Good morning. How is everybody doing? For those who just hopped on, I'm Taylor. I work for Younique. Gonna do our lashes with the Epic Mascara. Also available in 3D and soon 4D. How exciting. Oh, forgot the eyeliner first. So I think I'm gonna go for a nice little walk. Hi Susan, how are you? Good to see you. How's work? I know you've been busy. That's better. Much better. Now for the mascara. Thank you for the love. If you can, click share. Let me know you shared. I have a shares prize coming in next month. And if you're watching this afterwards, just hashtag replay. Anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I have the answers for you. Thank you, Susan. I appreciate that, honey. How you been? Do a second coat. This is after one with the lashes. See how long they got already? Yeah, I know. You still traveling? If you can tell. Still coming to Ohio? When you do the second coat, you really just want to do it on the edges of your lashes. You don't want it to get too thick. Not that it does that, but Oh, you're in West Virginia today? What part? Viral lashes. Look how long they are. Who needs extensions? Not this girl. Okay, Charleston's pretty. Look at that. I still have 3 on hand and a waterproof as well. If you want one of those, let me know. What color glass? Don't know. Oops. Alright, you pick. Lethal. This one. It's a red tone, kind of like a blue-red undertone. And this is Lucky, a nice little chocolatey brown. Y'all get to choose. I love when my viewers choose. Lucky, you got it. This is just the sample. We have ones that are like huge. These are very pigmented glosses. I'm running out. Oh no. I appreciate all of your support. It's greatly appreciated. Gotta get that out. And this is my look. I'm wearing Tulle Liquid Foundation with Scarlet Concealer and Lucky Lip Gloss, Epic Mascara, 2 coats, and I'm wearing my Quad palette, if I can get it open. It's magnetic, so it's a little hard. But these are the colors I wear today. Agile, Slick, Optimistic, and Fervent. All available on the site. All of our products come packed full, and they last a long time. I'm in love. Absolutely, I can do that for you, Susan. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I will text you here in a few minutes. So, I will do an after shot and post that. And it goes on so smooth. And it feels like nothing. Shine. Glow, baby. Alright. I appreciate you too, honey. Get some rest. Love you. I will call you in a minute, Tanya, to see what you're up to. And I love you.